Hi all. So today's video I will tell you how you will get a job as an Azure data engineer. So weekly once I will be sharing lot of job openings in our Telegram group. So if you are really interested to join in our vision board community Telegram group, you can please join with the group. I will share the link in the descriptions. So what are the benefits you will get from you joined in the vision board community? Definitely I will guide you how you can transform your career into Azure data engineer or cloud data engineer or a Python or SQL developer. So nowadays we already know some of the courses are ongoing, one-to-one classes and group batches, complete transformation of Azure data engineering. So already 3 people got good news from their side also. 3 of them placed in with the huge packages and one of them promoted. So it is completely their hard work and whatever I am giving some materials or that definitely help them to moving in a path and motivating them to achieve their success. So I want to everyone to be this community to achieve their success, because we don't want to stay on average, right? We need to switch from your career into above average. So definitely the one thing, learn new technology. The when learn new technology, that means if you're focused on the latest updated from the Google app skills or Azure app skills or any AWS, that means cloud computing is huge demand. Plus data handling, data analyst, data engineer, scientist, machine learning engineer, there are a lot of openings are there. First, you need to pick which one is better for you, then apply it. Before applying, you need to focus at least 3 months of time to the complete transformation. What are the certification you need? Take the certification and resume also using the correct keywords and send it to all the recruiters whatever you are facing. And I am sharing some of the details also: 2 years of experience, 3, 4, 5, up to 10 or 12 years of experience job posting I will do in our Telegram group. So if you are really interested to join, please join. And if some kind of information like how the path, like expert on Python, DSA, SQL, then any of the cloud technologies certification, because there are certification will help you to shortlist your profile. So do this one, and if you need help you can comment below, I will help you. Thank you.